Hello beautiful devs. So almost everything is finalized now. Only one thing remaining, which is this menu you can see, and here you can see this footer menu is enabled, and also we can customize this little bit, and also this right side you can see this menu. So although this menu is good, but this thing, newsletter etc., we don't want. We are not going to implement the newsletters. So for editing this section, we need to go to the headers builder section, and in the header builder you will find out some of the headers, and you can definitely import a new header as well. In our case, we already have this header, which is the header 5, and this is currently enabled. So we want to edit it, so simply we will just click here, edit with the pencil header builder, and now you will see that we will be in the relevant section. Definitely we can customize everything here. So here you have the normal header. If you click here, and the sticky header, if you will click, you will see this thing as well. And for the sticky header, you can see we have the desktop and tablet. So here you can see we have the tablet format, so we can see this thing in the tablet. So here you can see that we have the mobile menu icon. So let's click here. You will see that this mobile menu icon is there. You can change the color and the style as well. So after that we have the mobile logo. You can change the mobile logo thing as well if you want to change, and in our case we will keep this logo, so we don't want to change the image at all. Definitely we have the search icon as well, and here if we click on mobile header, I think we will be so mobile sidebar. Yeah, let's click on sidebar, then you will find out these sections here. As you can see on the top, we have the slider bar, then social icon, that is fine. Then we have search from sidebar, that is also fine. Mobile sidebar menu, let's click here, and here you will see that we have to select the menu. So I will just select the here, okay, and then we will just save the header, and then you can see that we have the section, which is the custom HTML section. So if we click here, you can see that copyright is there, so we'll just change it to copyright 2023 and save the header. So now that is fine, I think. So if we move back and if you refresh, and then if we click here, yeah, you can see that it has this header, this thing, and these other things are also not changed. And if you click here, and now you can see that this menu is changed. So that was this menu, and we have placed this copyright 2023, that is good, and newsletter is also removed. So that's great. So this menu is now fixed, and now we will find out the other menu. So let's go to desktop, and for the desktop, if we click on sticky header, and if we click somewhere, I think yeah, now it's visible. So if we, for example, want to edit certain section, we can just go here and shift and click, and now with shift click you can see that this section is selected, and definitely we can modify this section. Anyhow, here you can see on the normal header we have a sticky logo menu, and the search icon, and yeah, search icon is there. And then we should have the menu 1 is there, and the date and time, and yeah, this one, hamburger menu. Okay, so let's click on this hamburger menu. So this menu contains certain objects, I hope so. So you can see that we have these settings, hamburger menu, and custom CSS class, and okay, I think from where this is coming from, this section I want to edit actually. So let's see. Instead of customizing it, I've just deleted that menu because we don't need it at all. I think this menu is irrelevant. We already have this menu, and on the mobile we have the second menu, so I think that's not needed. So let's refresh it, and yeah, now that's gone. So in this way we have customized our mobile menu, and we have removed that irrelevant menu as well. So now you can see that everything looks absolutely good. Our website is finalized, everything we have done, and I think we don't have any thing which is not be customized. That's it for this section. In next video we will move, and we will just finalize our internal or on page SEO, and then we will go to the advanced things.